kiss?
Okay.
Oh. Do you wanna put your relic hat on? I think I see your relic hat in the chair. Hat.
Chair.
Chair. Do you want to put your hat on?
Hat.
Hat. Put your hat on. It's in the chair.
Hattie.
Hattie.
Hattie. Oh.
Oh, put it on.
Oh.
Hello, relic.
Hattie.
Hello, relic. Can you jump and down, up and down, relic? Oh. Jump up and down. Beanie, show Daddy that you can jump up and down. Up and down, up and down. How does Rach jump? Yeah. Rachel jumps up and down, doesn't she? Give Daddy a kiss. Blow Daddy a kiss. Blow Daddy a kiss. Oh, Mommy really wants to see you jump up and down. Hello, relic. Hello, relic. Yeah. 1, 3. What comes after 3? 4. Yay! High five. You want to count again? 1. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 4? 5. Yeah. What's your favorite color? Blue. Okay, jump up and down. Where's your soccer ball? Where's your soccer ball? Oh, Mooey's got it. Mooey's got it. Throw the ball to Mooey. Yes, it is. It's your soccer ball. Throw it to Mooey. Throw it to your kitty. Good job. Say here, Moo. Here, Mooey. Can you say bye-bye? Wow. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss.